Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MSI Analytics. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Power BI dashboard into a pbix format or a PDF format. So you generally need pbix format whenever you want to continue working on your dashboard or you have to send it to somebody else. So for saving it into the pbix format, I'm just simply going to go into File. After that, I'm going to select Save As, and then here I'm going to choose my location, which is going to be desktop, and then I'm just simply going to select Save. That's all. That's how you save it. Now let's learn how you can save this exact dashboard into a PDF format. Before that, you are going to go into File again, and then you are going to go in Export. After that, you are going to export it to PDF. And now it is going to generate a PDF of your report, and it will be saved in your downloads folder. So this is the PDF view of the dashboard. Now you can also save your dashboard into a PPT format, but for that you are going to open your service account and then you have to export it into a PPT format, and then it is going to automatically save your file into a PPT format. Right now we are not on the service account, so we are just going with the PDF and pbix format. So this was it. It was really easy, and I hope you learned something new. Give us your feedback below in the comments. See you in the next video.